Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. Today I'm here with some Happy Mail that I received while I was live yesterday morning with Mrs. Gigi. And it is from Miss Robin Perkins. It's some winnings that I won on a live. I can't remember who else was with her. But this is my winnings from it. I did open it on my live yesterday. But I wanted to do a standalone video for it. And so here it is. It is my winnings for a beading jewelry kit. And it has bezel necklaces in it. But my idea for it is to use the bezels, but to change for something else, okay? So, I want to thank you all for watching, and thank you to Miss, let me move this out of the way, so this is the only thing in camera, Miss Robin Perkins for the Happy Mail, and for sending my winnings. So, thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do hit that big red subscribe button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. So, please be blessed, be crafty, be safe, be positive. What else? And I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and bye-bye for now.